Good morning, guys. So here we go again. Let's talk for another topic, and what we're going to talk about this morning is all about um, focus on your daily routine and you build your character. So why did I say it? So because if you have done every day your daily routine or daily daily schedule on your you know your work or your daily exercise, so yeah, you just build character day by day, you know and it is very important that you stick to it. You do it with purpose, you know sometimes if you feel excuse me, sometimes if you feel you don't want to do it, but still you do it because you know that it can change your life, or it's in your plan. And when you don't make it within this day,
Ay, sa magsaba ba?
so when you can't make it, so you just feel it's a loss. And you know um, but as long as you continue on doing it and start doing it again, so yeah, there's always a success. Because if you follow your daily routine within this day, so it's a little success. And when you practice within yourself to have little success every day, then you will get used to it, that you will attain success, you know every time, and in no time you can attain your dreams. Your dreams might not happen instantly, but along the way you can achieve it. And with the help, through the grace of God, you can really make it. And it takes a lot of effort, actions. Sometimes there will be days that you will cry and feel sad about it, just by thinking about it, that why is it that it's not really not within the grasp of your hand, something like that. And you know I think if you build a character, if you have discipline within yourself, I think nothing is impossible, because as long as you have within yourself the actions and the thoughts and the determination, and keep on doing it and still on doing it, so yeah, there will be no problem. Sometimes you have to um, um, be patient more than anyone else. You have to be you have to forgive your own self about what happened to you in the last year of your life. You just have to forgive yourself, that it's maybe it is not the time right now, the right time, that you can't make your own dreams to become reality right now. It takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of years, maybe a lifetime, to at least get a hold on one opportunity. Sometimes life is just like that. Life is unfair, and you have to accept that, because that's the sad reality. But as long as you do things day by day, bit by bit, so it will happen to you. It's just that you need to uh, have a lot of more patience within yourself. The I think the only way that you will not be frustrated of thinking too much of wanting your dreams to really happen immediately or right now is to think that you will need 30 years of hard work in order to attain it, you know. You need to work for 30 years and take just one shot, one opportunity of a lifetime to make your dreams become a reality, because that's the hard truth. And you need to work hard every day. You need to find ways, you need to find the right people, the right, you know, you need to have within yourself.
Angel, ay bag saba nag-live ta.
You need to have the right mindset, or you need to acquire within yourself the right mindset, because if you will feel, you know, negative, being pessimistic to the world, then nothing will happen to you. So you have to step up and make a move, and keep on doing it until you make it, until you can achieve what you want in life, because we're constantly living, but when you're not living the life you want, then, you know, you see, you could say it's a quiet desperation, because you just want, you know, to make your life to be, you know, to be, how do you call this, how are you going to say this, you just want your life to be dictate with the events of life, of the outside world, you know. You just don't want to determine, you just don't want to make an action, or you don't want to be in control of your life. You just want to be dictated with the outside events in the outside world, or in your environment, or in your surroundings. And for, you know, for me it's a quiet desperation, because you just don't want to accept that you're in despair, despite the fact that even other people won't say it. But, you know, it's from your own perspectives, your own inner voice. You just don't decide that you're going to dictate your actions right now within this day, and this is what you would want your life to be with, or, you know, this is what you want with your life to happen. You know, it's really quite different when you want your life to happen in this way, or you just want your life to be drifted away with events and thoughts and people's and your surroundings. Yeah, it's really different. That's why it's really important that you should be in control of what you want in life. That's why you need to dream. You need to be focused on your dreams for the next 30 years, because if you will, you know, if you will stop on thinking it, if you will stop on not pursuing it, then the outside world will dictate, or will prevail, will dwell on things that you don't want to happen to you. And sometimes again you will feel sad. You will start over and over again with different thoughts and ideas and want things in your life. So yeah, it is very important that you need to stick on your dreams, and you need to stick on your daily routines also, because you just practice on becoming successful. You just practice of that's what you really want in life to happen to you. Shall we say, if you will be successful in the next 5 years, and right now you just don't build your daily routine or daily chores, so yeah, your success will, you know, can really break you, or can make you, you know, unhealthy, because you don't give time to have an exercise when you are broke. And when you become successful, you get busy, you get more schedules, and you just don't because you practice of not doing your daily routine of exercise within a day. you just you know, you can't make time to exercise when you become successful, because you don't make it a habit, or you don't have it in your schedule, you know, you don't prioritize it. So yeah, your health will break down, your mind will break down, because you have too much schedule, you are too busy, because you are now successful right now, and you just don't build the habit on doing it. So yeah, I think it's very important that you need to build your character, your exercise or daily routine right now when you are broke, so that when the times come you'll be successful. So you will not be easily drifted with the events or your schedules. So yeah, I think that's what you should do in yourself. So you just have to focus and follow your daily routine in order to build your character, because no one else will do it for you except yourself, and no one else will remind you every day except yourself. Maybe if you you know, you have friends will tell you that you need to do your daily routines. Maybe you are fortunate enough to have that kind of friend, but most of the time your friends have also their own dreams. They also want to build their own dreams. You have different wants in life, different dreams in life. So yeah, so his dreams are his own dreams also, and you don't need to remind him that that he should be doing this kind of daily routine towards himself. So yeah, you have no control of the other people, but only you yourself have the control within yourself. Yeah, to think of that in the first place. So just stick to your plan. Just stick to what you really want to happen in your life, and just do it. You know, don't make life to be complicated in, you know, handling or dwelling on things that the feelings of other people that you might, you know, trying to how do you call this, or try to, you know, try to, and I forgot how to say this. So yeah, don't try to I forgot. So yeah, just have to make sure that you have to make yourself clear with any distractions, or clear with any nuisance in your surrounding. So yeah, I think that's it for today's discussion, guys. So see you in the next video, and goodbye. Ciao.